I greet on my people. This one they come from TVC news host where they on my view program. This lady don't come outside now. They narrate her near to death experience with armed robbers. This one happened inside Lagos traffic. Claiming say she come up from an event for a hotel. Only for us now to the drive say she dey go house on top Third Mainland Bridge. All of us know say that bridge is very dangerous. Now there these young guys come attack her. For my people who never watch this one, you can follow me see.
Document what happened, because I know that sometimes we report these things and people don't take it serious. So coming from, I just finished an event at a hotel this evening and I was driving back home. On the bridge, the K2 bridge from Third Mainland, the bridge that takes you towards 7-Up, I got robbed. They damaged my car. Some two guys flanked me. They were hitting on the car that I should wind down. And as they were hitting, they broke the side. They broke the side mirror, caused a little bit of injury on my hand. I was just very shaken. I said I should just drive first to TVC. Let me come and calm down in TVC, and then I'll go back home. But I reported this thing on Wednesday. I reported that somebody got robbed in that same place on Wednesday. I said it on the show. I said we need to have more security presence there. There were police people there, but they were by the van. The robbery took place after the van, and they were young boys, came to the side of the car. I know that it was God. I was able to just swerve left and right. I'm going to head back home, try and dust off all the glass from my body, but we can't afford to do this. Everywhere there's traffic, there's a risk to our life, and the government needs to do much more than this. It feels, I'm grateful to God, but it feels very weird. I'm just wondering, hey, what is it? Is it you alone, Doctor? What happened last year? They bought your car. This year, you are getting robbed. But I'm grateful to God, and I'll probably have to cancel site inspection tomorrow. I already told people I'm going to go there, but I don't feel like I'm in the mood to go through that journey anymore. Just wanted to document this. Thank you.
Things they happen, but this Third Mainland Bridge, I don't know waiting there on top of that bridge. Now there you go, here say accident happen. Now there you go, here say they rob person. I beg, now only this bridge they there. And so many robbery incidents don't happen there. I don't know what our Nigerian police they do. They walk about the whole thing. I don't understand. And as this one happened, she claims say police even they there when this one they happen. But because of their mind, no, they did their own, I mean they collect bribe. Now why their own, they just did it. When things they even happen, they need to notice. And I guess even a police officer, they don't attack them on top of this bridge. But I beg, as a police officer, you say they don't attack. Now security is supposed tight on top of this place. I no see why be say now we be say now they think on the worst. Every day go here say small boys they attack people. What if say they can't hurt this woman now another news will come as I come they talk. Say these young boys don't kill and people where they commit this crime. Small children. Boys of like 16, 17, up to 20 and then they commit this one. On top waiting now because what at all now they collect. Phone will be safe now collect and now no go sell them for a good amount. So when they come be the essence of now they do this kind of work. Me I feel say police they supposed begin do their search well. Because all these guys, I know say that they work with them. They feel even get the knowledge say this one where they climb this bridge are criminal. But still they go still allow them to pass. Because make we look this on top of this bridge. No be say office there on top of the bridge. No be say one kind joint say so what are top people they trek, they look for on top of bridge. People they inside hold up, they work out their thing. The reason how they will take come outside, but you go see people. Criminals, they roam inside the hold up, they hurt people, they attack people. Nigerian police say, are supposed to find something to do about this one. Behind a Lagos state government, behind an army they go deploy. Because all of us know that people they fear army. Maybe if they're this criminals have say nah army na in the gut, maybe they go change. Since our police no fit play up to the tax, they just did their own money, bribery and corruption, now they run on top. So make we carry the tax, give them to another person. Make we consider another changes go there. But I beg for those of now where they drive on top of this, make na they very careful. Because for me, if another route day, I go even advise me to go for long. Because on top of that bridge, as far as say traffic day, you must just say 1 or 2 they say they attack person. So you when they use that bridge, I beg, they very careful. Anyways, my viewers, now here I go end up on this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story. This one what carry coming now all the way from Kenya. And I hear say police don't go arrest a 36-year-old man. This man go defile a 13-year-old girl. And this man will commit this crime. This girl don't be like a family member. The mama claims say in dress the children up so okay fine and good making her prepare go school. Me I won't go fetch water. Before the mama go come back, now there she see him picking for house. Auntie, why be say you know this school the girl claims okay because of school fees now why they pursue her? But fine they pursue but why be say blood stain dey your clothes? Why be say they walk out like this and there we hear say this man don't go defy the girl? For my people who never watch this one, you can follow me see.
In the northern sub-county of Meru, a 36-year-old man has been arrested for allegedly defiling a 13-year-old girl. The girl's mother had sent her children to school very early. At around 9:30 a.m., when she came back from fetching water at a well, she found her daughter headed to the kiosk and wondered why she wasn't in school. The daughter explained that she had been sent away because of school balance of 750 shillings. The mother noticed that the girl was walking in an unusual way and her dress had a stain on the back. She tried to inquire from her daughter what the problem was, but the young girl walked away. When the mother got into her house, she found the man, who was a distant relative, lying on her son's bed.
I went inside and found this man on the bed and asked, "Why are you on my son's bed?" He replied, "I was waiting for you." I said, "You're waiting for me to do what?" I told him, "Can you wake up and get out?" Then my daughter returned and asked her, "What is this man doing here?" And she said he had sent me to the kiosk to buy mandazi and given me 100 shillings. And that is the point at which I decided to probe to get to know what exactly happened. And after a long push, she finally confessed what the man had done.
The mother then reported the incident to Lara police station and the suspect was arrested. Both he and the young girl were taken to hospital where tests showed she had been defiled.
Now wow. But this man, after committing this offense, you can't still get confidence. I don't know the kind of mumu they worry some people. You go rape person daughter, you can't still get right, sleep on top of their bed. Say you they wait for the woman to come. What do you they wait for the woman for? I be because you don't even think her. Why be say you don't even feel go wait outside? You go enter inside person house. Follow the daughter asleep as they complain again. You see when they get right, they complain say you they wait for the woman while you sleep on top of the person bed. And if not be say this woman even force the daughter, ask her say wetin dey worry na so this girl keep quiet o. And I dey very sad to say this man go don threaten her, tell her something say okay if you talk I will kill you. Then na why this girl dey hide the things they cover her? Because how you go see your pikin where you know say fine and good, you never even they do anything. You go come see blood for her body. You go dey see her she dey waka kuruke. You suppose know say so fine and good something don't worry her. Now there this woman attack this girl before the girl come talk and say okay oh now this her uncle now attack her. And find that they go do investigation, they carry her go hospital. And I go as they go see her, they realize that they don't rape this girl. But why people be like this? Small children now, I think they always start for big people. I shower that your thing no go rise for that. Small picking your own family member. Now you can't decide say you won't go do this kind of one. And this trauma now, so you go continue to live inside this girl mind. Now why some girls they always show men shake it because of the kind of things obviously they don't go through. Because this girl now, if she no go through therapy, now so she go get the mindset say, now so men they always sleep with girls. Not knowing say that this man I just get bad mindset say he won't rape her. But me I dey very glad say this girl report this matter and they don't catch this man. Whatever face law he go collect, he go face her. Because I trust Kenya people I know say they no go easy on her. So I just they wait on the kind of judgment they will give her. Because this one like you just destroy this girl life. Your own family member for that matter. Now one for people. My people now here I go end them on this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story. Well done to our Nigerian police. I hear say they don't rescue 17 kidnapped victims and this one they happen inside Niger State. On I know say na there more this Boko Haram and bandits na there they really take their action for. And I hear say after this rescue they catch a 10-man group of kidnappers. And this one, their own new headquarters, they call them Sunfather Forest. They don't forget Zambiza Forest. Now, Sunfather owner, now they don't focus on. And how they take catch this was, I hear say they go kidnap person. Now there they track these people, so they go meet them for there. As this one now come outside, if you know it's the vex, they no go even come outside feel remorseful. They go just come out like say this one what they do, a normal thing. But my people who never see this one, you can follow me watch.
The Niger State Command of the Police are yet recording victories in their fight against bandits and kidnappers. 22 suspects are paraded, 17 kidnapped victims have been rescued, and 500 rustled cattle recovered, alongside cash, arms and ammunition. This man, Aliyu Abubakar, confessed to being a kidnapper who collected a ransom of 5 million naira and 3 million naira from two separate victims before he and his gang were arrested. While this 10-man gang were apprehended in Sonfada Forest, where they hid the two victims kidnapped from Sonfada village along Lapai Agaye Road. The sum of 250,000 naira and cutlasses were recovered from them when they were apprehended. The suspects claim they have led their cattle in different locations to the forest. The police said their victims were successfully rescued unhurt.
Make una see them the kidnapper self. People will be like dry bone kidnappers. Now then they do kidnapping work. You will go even look there to say they be sickler. And all the money where they collect, I don't know what is the reason do. Because you know they even show for on her body. And the thing they always vex me because of the fact that honor they always kidnap. And last, even if they pay on this ransom, sometimes I go still kill the person. So what thing I thought be on a motive for kidnapping? Because me I feel saying I waited to suppose they ask them be that. Because as they kidnap, as they arrest them, now so will they hear of other people. Say more they come aside. So what I thought that they kidnap people for? Say on I want divide Nigeria, I just want trade the mark because to me, I don't see when they carry all this kind of attack. And if we see now always the northern side, now this Hausa people then they do this one. I don't know, it be like say sooner or later on a leader supposed to carry all these people sensitize them. Because me I feel say they do this one for fun. Because now someone of a leader come and say bandits on I need money or I need school. I beg person will be saying mindset now how to kidnap people and how to destroy person. Now I won't carry education go give. It may say go even misuse and me go do and wrongly. So me I feel say these people nobody wants to be said they don't already commit go keep person. Those ones they deserve jail. In fact, Sharia law that is supposed to give them. But for the ones who be say they don't look and so okay, they don't know what they go do. The next thing they're supposed to sit them down. Follow them talk say all this all this attack with no be so it go be. Because we don't know what they fight to. Be enough for cattle where we know, we don't understand. So all this their own, make they just try stop them. And I feel say now Buhari now go follow these people talk because now the same language and they speak. So now you go be the best person, not be about just looking away. Because we go look now, they go commit last as we go yes say they don't carry them go put into skill acquisition. The main thing one are supposed to do to them, punish them, and I know they give them. Now what I always talk and say this our Nigerian, they very, very partial with the North. But anyways, these ones are here say they go face the law and it will sweet me if they give them better punishment. Anyways, my viewers, now here I go end them on this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story.